on this. I've been trying hard not to resist. I've been waiting all my life on this. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. All my life on this. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I've been waiting, I've been waiting, I've been waiting. I've been waiting, I've been waiting, I've been waiting. I've been waiting, I've been waiting, I've been waiting. I've been waiting all my life on this. I've been trying hard not to resist. Been waiting all my life on this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Donald Trump. Donald motherfucking Trism. Donald Trump, the aliens, Bitcoin, the drones. What is going on in the world? You're either following the Bitcoin news or you're following the alien fake out. Which one are you a fan of? The alien fake out or the Bitcoin? Man, we're about to go ballistic. We're about to go ballistic. Today is a super bullish day. Oh shit. Alright, time to catch up on some news. Let me get into this article. The Bitcoin price has rocketed past 100K per Bitcoin on the back of Trump's November election. With the chief executive of a major Wall Street giant admitting Bitcoin FOMO. Now, as an influential billionaire warns of a looming debt crisis that could collapse the US dollar, Trump has confirmed his plans to establish a U.S. Bitcoin strategic reserve. Man, I told you guys, this is what I was talking about 3 weeks ago, or even a month ago, when Trump made that announcement. I was talking about a theory about a Bitcoin reserve that could bring us out of debt. And look what he's doing now, you fucking scumbags. So, let's talk about it. We're gonna do something great with crypto because we don't want China. We don't want China, or anybody else. But others are embracing it, and we want to be ahead, Trump told CNBC. Yes, I think so, Trump said in response to a question about whether the U.S. will create a Bitcoin strategic reserve similar to its oil reserve. In July, then Republican candidate Donald Trump promised to create a strategic national Bitcoin reserve and predicted Bitcoin could eclipse gold's 16 trillion market cap during an appearance at the Bitcoin 2024 conference. And yes, he did say that America will be the Bitcoin capitalist of the world. Republican Senator Cynthia Lummis has introduced a bill to Congress entitled the Boosting Innovation, Technology and Competitiveness through Optimized Investment Nationwide Bitcoin Act. Golly, can you get even more? The BITCCTOIN Bitcoin Act, which proposes the U.S. buy 1 million Bitcoins over 5 years to reduce the spiraling 35 trillion U.S. national debt. That's incredible. Russia lawmakers were this week revealed to be pushing the country to create a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Guys, I think I said this in my last videos, guys. If you look back, I said in the future, countries are going to be going to war for Bitcoin. The future is now, my friend. As you can see, when Bitcoin is put on the map by the Americans, us, you see what it becomes already. It becomes the world's most wanted asset. So much of an asset, so wanted and rare, that countries will go to war over it in the next generation to come. Russian lawmakers were this week revealed to be pushing the country to create a Bitcoin strategic reserve after Russia's President Vladimir Putin praised Bitcoin as an alternative to foreign currency reserves following the seizure of its funds by Western governments in response to its invasion of Ukraine. The possibility that Trump follows through on his Bitcoin reserve plans has spurred huge Bitcoin price predictions from Bitcoin traders and investors, boosted by an Elon Musk surprise. Here's the Bitcoin price chart daily. Yes, we've been bullish since 15K. If Donald Trump is successful in putting forth a lot of the proposals that he proposed to the community, the sky is the limit because Bitcoin has a fixed supply. Oh, now they're understanding. Now the public is understanding that Bitcoin, they need to understand once the whole world understands the Bitcoin cycle, I'm telling you, Bitcoin is going to be the most valuable asset in the world when the world understands cryptocurrency and how cryptocurrency supplies are coded from the beginning. And once they understand that it's a renounced contract and nobody can change it, they'll understand why you want to invest in Bitcoin and why the Bitcoin halving is the most bullish cycle of Bitcoin every 4 years. It goes ham for 550 days after the Bitcoin halving date. Okay, and we are in the final quarter of the Bitcoin halving. Okay, we're in the final quarter. Okay, this is the final quarter. This is the final quarter. Okay, this section right here. And we are in the final quarter. We're about to enter it. When we enter the RSI, the top zone, right, which we just did, after that, we have 6 months of pure bliss. 6 months of huge fucking gains. Look, one, boom. Second bull run, boom. Third bull run, boom. This time, if we do have, now we've been going down 73% each time. This time, I do believe it's different. I made my box smaller at 142K, but this time we have this whole Bitcoin reserve thing and how this is going to cause Bitcoin to be a world asset wanted, and how other institutions and countries are going to FOMO in. And I think Bitcoin is going to create a massive, I mean, just something just ridiculous. Okay? Something ridiculous. Right? And I don't want to get out of control. I was, February 2027. All right, let's get back to the article because this is very exciting stuff. If Donald Trump is successful in putting forth a lot of his proposals that he proposed to the community, the sky's the limit, blah, blah, blah. The founder of Crypto Trade Association, blah, blah, blah. The stock to flow model says it's going to be at over 800K by the end of next year. Yes. Boring added, which would give Bitcoin a market cap of around 15 trillion, up from 2 trillion currently. Even if it does half of that, right? Even if it does half of that, we're at 400K. Or a quarter of that is 200K. Oh my God, is that how that fucking article ends? Okay, so Forbes list, the Forbes is writing an article like this. That is, to me, is some Illuminati shit. And that's how you know they're gonna push this narrative. This is good for Bitcoin because as Bitcoin investors, this means that, this pushes Bitcoin to the top. When America is talking about, pushing Bitcoin and making a reserve and investing a lot of money into it, now let's take a look at this article. Trump confirms U.S. Bitcoin reserve. Forbes predicted 15 trillion BTC raise. We just saw that. This guy spent 50 hours analyzing market data. Okay, we know you went to ChatGPT, but that's fine. Let's take a look anyway. Trump confirms 15 trillion. Yeah, he said it put us at 800K. The crypto industry is abuzz with the latest news. Trump has confirmed the creation of a BTC reserve worth 15 trillion. He's proposing the Bitcoin Act, right? This news is truly colossal, as understanding how liquidity works can help predict BTC's price by 2025. History is just beginning to be written, and BTC is on the verge of a massive pump. Well, according to our charts, it is definitely due for a massive pump. I mean, 6 months of retardation, because every bull run, right? Boom. Once that thing falls, we go ham. Okay. Every bull run, market bottom to the top. Right when we reach that second candle, this thing just tweaks down. Right? Same here. We reach our market top. Right? We just created the first candle over here. Created the first candle. Still not fully down. Second candle is when we tweak down. We're just on the second candle. By the time we finish this monthly candle, guys, this thing is going to be looking like this. And when January hits, we're going to be in full bull run mode for a nice 5-6 months, dude. Every time we've done it, okay? Every fucking time we have done it. Crazy. What if Bitcoin goes nuts? Jeez, it's so fun to think about. The roots of this news trace back to Trump's election campaign. Trump spoke with utmost seriousness about strategic BTC reserve, to which critics responded negatively. Their opinion was that this was complete nonsense, since BTC is highly volatile. Yeah, but, throughout the course of the years of Bitcoin, it's always been bullish. It's never lost. It creates all-time highs every 4 years because of the Bitcoin cycle. And it's a deflationary asset because of the Bitcoin halving, right? And it's a limited supply. There's only 21 million. So this thing gets rarer as life moves on. As humanity moves on, it gets rarer because it's built in the code. And it's a renounced contract, so nobody can change it. Their opinion was that this was complete nonsense, since BTC is highly volatile. Okay. Yet within a few months, the information about the strategic reserve was confirmed. Trump wasn't lying. He really plans to buy 20% of Bitcoin's entire supply for the strategic reserve. Trump confirms Bitcoin reserve plans 15 trillion price boom prediction. It is beneficial. Oh, what is this? What is this? It is beneficial for the U.S. to create a BTC. Is it beneficial for the U.S. to create a BTC reserve? Absolutely yes. The dollar is gradually losing its dominant position, and the U.S. national debt continues to grow. Bitcoin could become a hedging tool for the U.S. similar to gold, strengthening its role. Why is it doing that? Anyway, Alongside this, more and more government officials from different countries are starting to talk about Bitcoin reserves. Damn, if you get all the countries to get into Bitcoin this bull run, holy fuck, dude. Holy fuck. If all countries start doing a Bitcoin reserve, I mean that. Dude, we're at 107 right now. We're pumping. Bitcoin's pumping. I'm telling you, it's starting. This month, I'm telling you, is going to be super duper bullish. 107, boys. Congratulations. 30-minute chart. Look at that fucking Bollinger Band, dude. That thing's going to 107.366. Let's take a look at the 1 hour Bollingers. Super bullish above it. 2 hour way fucking bullish. Oh my god, this thing's going off. Look at the daily. Bitcoin, guys, is gonna pump for 6 straight months, guys, from here. I'm telling you, look, the monthly chart. Here's our first huge candle that we made, and we're on our second one. Look at all the bull runs that we've had. The first huge candle, look at the second one. Boom. Bro, we're talking about 20,000 to 28,000. Okay. Here's the other bull run. Here's our first candle. Boom. Second candle. 1,000 to 2,000, but that was way back when. Look at this first candle right here. Boom. And then the second candle. Boom. I'm telling you, this month, the numbers are not making sense to me right now. We've done a lot of research. We found out that there's a decrease in percentage profits, you know, an increase in price, right? And the lengths of the bull run get longer, okay? Right? You see these gaps, they get longer. Okay, and the profit margins get shorter. Okay, you see how the boxes get shorter because we go from 8,800 profit in that Bitcoin halving from the all-time highs, from the lows to the all-time highs. So we go from 8,800 to 2,500 to 600, and to be conservative this year, I'm at 200. Okay. 200 or 150, 140 to be conservative, right? But this thing can go fucking ham, guys. This thing could truly go ham. Because look, we get 6 months of bullish activity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minimum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This was kind of like an extended bull run right here. Okay. Right here. 1, 2. Then we have a correction. So this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 months. This one right here. Oh yeah, that was that one. So 9 months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months here. Interesting. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A until we reached that. But it got extended 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Because we came back and corrected. It's weird. It's weird. It's weird, dog. You know, but I can guarantee 6 months. I can guarantee 6 months minimum. You know what I mean? Because I don't go by the news. I'm going by these charts, dude. I'm going by these charts, dude. And charts, timelines, every bull run, we've gone longer. Okay. Every bull run has been extended. All right. Each bull run has become longer in length. Okay, here's the first bull run. The second bull run ended four months after the first one. And then the third one ended 7 months after the first one. So they got extended 1, 2, 4 months, second one. 4 months again, it got extended. So is this one gonna get extended another 4 months? That would be December 25th. Interesting. That would bring us right back to like the first. We tapped 107 today. Alongside this, more and more government officials from different countries are starting to talk about Bitcoin reserves. Brian Armstrong even believes that every government should have a Bitcoin reserve. The reason is simple. Bitcoin has been the most efficient asset. If you bought $100 of Bitcoin when Coinbase was founded in 2012, it would be worth 1.5 million. If you kept 100 USD, you would only be able to purchase about $73 worth of the goods today. Bitcoin is the best performing asset of the last 12 years and it's still early days. Every government, especially those looking to create a hedge against inflation, should create a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Abso-fucking-lutely. Are you kidding me? Why wouldn't you? If you understood how Bitcoin worked as a deflationary asset and you understood the 4-year Bitcoin cycles like we do on this channel, okay? We know when to buy the market lows and we know when to sell the market tops every 4 years, okay? It's simple. So here we go. Look at these Bollinger Bands. Every time we have a bull run, what happens to the Bollinger Bands? Every time we go up and explode, the Bollinger Bands what? Expand. When we get huge price movements to the upside, the Bollinger Bands expand. Okay? Every fucking bull run before we go on a 6-month tear. Okay, guys? 6 months of pure bliss is what I call it. Each candle is a month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months here. Okay, that was 2016 bull run. And these are the final quarters of the bull run. Okay? This is the final section of the bull run. The final section of the bull run is the best part. And we're about to enter it. As you can see on these Bollinger Bands, okay? We're about to enter the fucking Bitcoin I mean, crypto heaven is about to commence. We're about to go ballistic, okay? What you're going to see in this month, in the next month, is Bitcoin go parabolic. And it's going to be beautiful. Yeah, we're going to have corrections, but every correction is going to be bought up like crazy. Trust me. They won't last nothing but a day. I mean, not a day, maybe 2-3 days. In a bull run, it's crazy. We're expanding on the weekly right now. Looking very bullish. The amount of BTC on exchanges is already decreasing, and with this trajectory, golly, and this I can't even say it. And with this trajectory, maybe because I smoked, I'm a little cottonmouth too, you know what I mean? Sellers might disappear entirely. Nobody wants to sell. For BTC, this opens a free flight to incredible new heights. Yes, because everybody understands the news, right? If America really does come through with a bill called the Bitcoin Act, where they throw tons of, millions of dollars in there, a lot of other countries will follow. You know what I mean? America will put Bitcoin on the map and say, hey, Bitcoin is a winning asset. It's never lost. It can bring every country out of debt, which is incredible. And why are countries in debt? Because of corruption. Why is America in debt? Because of corruption. Because we put our money, trillions of tax dollars, into black budget programs to militarize space. We don't have no control over that. We don't get to see what happens. We've been reverse engineering UFOs since Hitler, since World War I, because we figured how to bring them down, and we found them when we invaded and conquered Germany. And we brought those scientists to NASA. And the origin of NASA is built by Third Reich Nazi scientists, rocket engineers. Hello, do your fucking research. If you know anything about fucking anything in this world, you would actually fucking get off your fat ass and do some research. But you don't, and I get it. I get it. You just want to sit there and just fucking melt. That's fine. At least do some research, dude. At least know what the fuck you're living in. At least know what they're lying to you about. What, are you just gonna suck it in every day? You're just gonna take it in? You're just gonna take the fucking news in every day like a fucking goddamn vegetable? Be smart. Listen to yourself. Listen to that little voice in your head. Look at this thing. BTC available to buy. This thing is sinking. How do you find this chart? Let's look for it. Glass node. We're back up to 107. How do I see Bitcoin on exchanges? Damn. I never looked at this shit before. So he's saying this is what it looks like. The cherry on top of all this will be the increased crypto adoption. If BTC is introduced as a reserve, every grandma and grandpa will know about BTC, and the influx of the new liquidity will be colossal. With 15 trillion in new liquidity, BTC will be nearing 1 million per token. Dude, get the fuck out of here, dude. Crazy. Along with this, altcoins will also demonstrate incredible performance. I've analyzed and chosen 2 with astonishing potential. Divide your funds into 2 parts and invest in each asset. Popcat Solana and Popcat. A legend in the meme coin narrative that's still heavily undervalued. The token was immense potential, and the next bull run will allow it to surpass WIF. Market cap 1.12 billion. Dude, was this whole a Popcat show? A truly promising AI project that's revolutionizing virtual interaction. The project is actively growing, and the next launch will send the token to the moon. Active market cap 2.55 billion. I've watched virtual pump. I remember it pumping to $1 something from very, very cheap, from pennies. Interesting article though, right? I mean, that would be very, very fucking cool, bro. That would be very, very cool. Two bullish days though. Yesterday was super bullish. Today, another bullish day back to back. Right? And on the daily RSI, we are looking very, very good, dude. We're about to hit that super bullish threshold and get above. You know? And when we get above, if we can stay above, we get there, we could stay there for almost 2 weeks. We can be bullish for like 2 weeks into Christmas. Crazy, dude. This is fucking crazy, Holmes. ABC News. You got ABC News. 2024 was a big for Bitcoin. States could see a crypto policy blitz in 2025 in spite of the risk. A new year will usher in the Bitcoin-friendly administration of President-elect Donald Trump and an expanding lobbying effort in state houses. Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. Or wait, the fuck is that? I don't know. The new year will usher in the Bitcoin-friendly administration of President-elect Donald Trump and an expanding lobbying effort in state houses that together could push states to become more open to crypto and for public pension funds and treasuries to buy into it. Proponents of the uniquely volatile commodity argue it is a valuable hedge against inflation similar to gold. Yeah, keep talking about it, y'all. Many Bitcoin enthusiasts and investors are quick to criticize government-backed currencies as prone to devaluation and say increased government buy-in will stabilize Bitcoin's futures price swings, give it more legitimacy, and further boost in an already rising price. But the risks are significant. Critics say a crypto investment is highly speculative, with so much unknown about projecting its future returns, and warn that investors should be prepared to lose money. Only a couple public pension funds have invested in cryptocurrency, and new U.S. Government Accountability Office study on 401k plan investments in crypto, issued in recent days, warned it has uniquely high volatility and that it found no standard approach for projecting the future returns of crypto. Look at, they're lying out of their fucking faggot asses. They found no standard approach. You know what the standard approach is? You buy the market bottoms and you sell the market tops every 4 years, Bitcoin halving. You fucking lying ass bitch. These fucking faggots. It has already been a landmark year for crypto. With Bitcoin hitting 100K, the U.S. Securities and the Exchange Commission approving the first exchange-traded funds that hold Bitcoin and crypto enthusiasts being cheered by Trump's promise to make the United States the Bitcoin superpower of the world. Lawmakers in more states can expect to see bills in 2025 to make them crypto-friendly, as analysts say crypto is becoming a powerful lobby. Bitcoin miners build new installations, and venture capitalists underwrite a growing tech sector that caters to cryptocurrencies. Meanwhile, a new crypto-friendly federal government under Donald Trump and Congress could consider legislation from Senator Cynthia Lummis, R. Wyoming, to create a federal Bitcoin reserve on which states can piggyback. A bill introduced last month in Pennsylvania's House of Representatives sought to authorize the state's treasurer and public pension funds to invest in Bitcoin. It went nowhere before the legislative session ended, but it caused a stir. I had a friend who is a rep down the road text me, "Oh my God, I'm getting so many emails and phone calls to my office. More than ever did about any other bill," said the measure's sponsor, Republican Mike Cabell. Cabell, a Bitcoin enthusiast who lost his re-election bid, expects his bill to be reintroduced by a colleague, and leaders of a Bitcoin advocacy group, Satoshi Action, say they expect bills based on their model bill to be introduced in at least 10 other states next year. Keith Brainard, research director for the National Association of State Retirement Administrators, said he doesn't expect many public pension fund investment professionals who oversee nearly $6 trillion in assets to invest in crypto. Pension fund professionals take risks they deem to be appropriate, but Bitcoin investing has a short track record, might only fit into a niche asset class, and may not fit the risk to reward profile they seek. That is complete bullshit, because you just got to teach them and show them this chart of the fucking 4-year, the monthly chart of the the Bitcoin cycles, and you know where to buy every time with the RSI and everything. It's been following this model for fucking its whole existence. So that's another lie, because they're trying to slowly bring it out, guys. Okay. They're trying to slowly bring it out. Okay. They're not going to just tell everyone, hey, come on, guys, it's a 4-year cycle. It's the bull run. Come in, sell at the top. No. That's not what they do with retailers. Okay. That's not how they talk to retailers. They're trying to fuck retailers in the ass. Okay. It's up to you to be a retailer and then to do your research, right? And they're trying to distract you with these drones. These fake fucking UFO drones. They're trying to mimic these UFOs, dude. Oh my God. And, they're trying to do another terrorist attack on you, the American citizens. Can you believe that? The American government, again, doing another terrorist act on itself. Yeah, tell me what else is new. We'll bring it. Because Bitcoin always thrives in terror and chaos. It does. It's just the history of Bitcoin. Bitcoin thrives in terror and chaos in our economy and just humanity. It's always had a bull run through terror. It just bull runs right through that bullshit. Whatever the fucking news is, it don't give a fuck. You think these charts give a fuck? You think this fucking Bollinger Band right here gives a fuck about Nancy Pelosi or fucking Fossey or fucking goddamn, that fucking goddamn Jerome Powell? No. This Bollinger Band don't give a fuck about any of those people. Okay? And it never did here, didn't hear, and it didn't hear again. And it's not going to here. Okay? And these are the things we know. These bull runs have gotten longer. These main 3 things visually. What can you see? Okay? The gains get shorter every bull run. Okay? And the bull run gets longer every bull run. Okay? Right? And the price goes crazy every bull run. All right? And that's the cycle. Those are the main key features of the cycle. The RSI is so important for you to know when to buy and sell. Okay? How do you know the market bottom? You know the market bottom when you look here and you look at this RSI and you zoom in. Right? What do you see? We had 2 market bottoms here. We had one here. When this RSI crosses over, right? When this thing crosses over, when this thing reaches the bottom and you see this blue line cross over, that's how you know you've reached the market bottom. This is another one to buy. Right? Boom. Also right here. When it crosses up above, that is the market bottom. And after that, you're smooth sailing all the way to the top. It's the easiest indicator. Okay? Again, the market bottom for the 2020 bull run, right? You reach the top of the bull run. You come down, and boom, here's the market bottom. Look at downstairs. The RSI. Okay? When the RSI crosses over the blue line is when you know you want to buy crypto, because what happens after that? When it crosses over the blue line, you come up. You're straight greening the whole way from the bottom. Okay? Here we are again. Here's the market bottom. Let's find the price of the market bottom. Boom, 15K right here, this red candle. Let's go down directly to the RSI. What do we see? Right? Boom. We see the blue line cross over. That's how you know it's my time to buy everything on the board. Everything on the board. Solana was 550. Okay. And what happens after that? Man, you're just taking the ride up, dude. You're not doing anything. Investing in crypto is easy when you know where you are in the game. Okay? A lot of you don't know where you are in the game. I didn't know where I was in the game until I did the research, until I started investigating. Now I know exactly where I'm at in the game. Okay? We're in the fourth quarter of the game, guys. We're getting ready to throw in the game-winning buzzer beater. Okay? We're going to experience 6 more months of pure Bitcoin bliss. Okay? Of pure crypto market bliss. We've created 1 month, 2 months, 3, 4, 5, 6 at least. And it's going to be phenomenal. Okay? So we're on our 2nd month right now, December. 4 more months after that, prepare. Start preparing for the market top. What happens? Because look, what happens here is we reach the market high from the last bull run, right? That first candle that goes above, boom, that's month number 1. Now we're on month number 2. Let's go back in history for the last bull run. Okay, here's the last time all-time high. We come back, we meet it. First candle that goes above, that's month 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. 6 green candle months to reach the market top, and then we sink. Okay? Let's go back to the other bull run. We come over here, all-time high from last time. We meet it again 4 years later, right? Just like we're doing now. We put up that first green candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months here. 8 months here, okay? So 6 to 8 months of bullish activity. And like I said, I go by the Bollinger Bands. I go by this. Now every bull run we've gotten, our bull runs have increased in length. Okay. The first bull run was this long, right? This blue to blue. The third bull run was that long. I mean, the second bull run was second longest. Third bull run was the third longest. Will this fourth bull run be another extended one, right? Because all 3 bull runs, it's shown us that the length of all the bull runs I've measured, okay? From market bottoms all the way to the top, okay? From the bottom to the top. That's a full bull run, okay? So the first one, boom. You have December 2022 to December 2024. That's from the market bottom, okay? Second one, December to December, so from 22 to 25. So 2 years, and then you add until April, okay? And then the third one, yeah, December 22 to August 25th. What I'm trying to just tell you is the patterns, right? They're getting extended. Every run is becoming an extended run. I don't know why that is. It's just a visual fact that we have. Right? Just like all these 3 visual facts that match the numbers. 2012, 8,800% increase, right? From the day of the halving, okay, to the market top. From the day of the halving to the market top. 2016, 2,500. So we go from 8,800 to 2,500. 2020, we go from 2,500 to 600% gains. Okay, so you see the relationship here. Price gets higher, percentage increase gets lower, but price still gets higher, okay? Now, with everything coming into play this time, we have so much. This time the bull run is very skewed, okay? Because we can have trillions of dollars coming in out of nowhere because of the government involvement of possibility multiple countries creating a Bitcoin reserve as well. Okay, if that is the case, guys, we could be blowing the top this year, right? Because we need to create this formation, okay, psychologically, no matter what happens, we need to create this formation of, you know, creating an upward movement and then coming back and then meeting it again, right, for the next cycle of what we've been doing, okay? Right? And it needs to be realistic. And right now, when I was doing my research, I found out that every time we lose, the average loss is a 73% takeaway. Okay? 88 to 25 to 600 is like 70 to 73%. Okay? So if we were to do that and get the real number, the conservative number, we would land around 159%, which is in the 110 to 113K range. Okay? We're already there. Okay? But to me, that's already out of the picture. That doesn't make sense to me anymore. Okay? Because we are super bullish. We have a presidential campaign that is crypto friendly, that is going to change the way America handles cryptocurrency. He's in the office for 4 years, guys. He's going to stir up. He's going to change so many things. Okay? This is the crypto revolution. Donald Trump's last term. This is the time. He's talking about the Bitcoin reserves. Okay, so I'm looking at my prediction, right, at 145. Man, if that Bitcoin Act does come through, right? If this Bitcoin Act comes through, this is going to be nuts, because that could be the trillions of dollars that we're looking for this initial bull run, you know? And if that's the case, that's worldwide news. You know, we're not just talking about retail trying to get in on it. We're talking about countries and leaders now saying, we need to fucking put our money into Bitcoin. This and that. And now we're talking about a worldwide asset pump. It's like the biggest fucking pump-a-thon you can create. You know, it's like coming up to pump.fun and putting your money in a meme coin, but it's Bitcoin and the whole world is going to do it. That's crazy, okay? That could call for the pump we need to get that super movement like this that we're looking to reenact again, okay? Because we're trying to figure out what the fuck's going on, right? Because if we play out the numbers, we're not supposed to, you know, our gains are supposed to get smaller and smaller, right? You could see how this scale works, okay? This is factual stuff. But the numbers this time around could be hijacked. Could be very skewed right now. Right? If we actually have world commitment, if we actually have a one world asset, a millennial one world asset called Bitcoin. Incredible. And we'll have a one world army as well against the aliens that they're trying to put on you. The narrative they're trying to put on you is it's the humans versus the aliens. Okay? If the aliens really wanted to fuck with you, they would have blew us off the planet. They were here before us, guys. Shit, they probably created us. They want to see us flourish. They already came down here years ago when we were testing out nukes. They came to all of our missile silos and dudded our missiles because they don't want us blowing each other up. Every time we blow up a huge bomb, it sends huge vibrations into space and it disrupts the whole atmosphere and the code of space. They don't want us to be a malicious space voyager. They don't want us to be a malicious space endeavor. But that's what we've been doing. We've been militarizing space, guys. This evil cabal, right, that runs this country has been setting up this whole plan. They've been taking your tax dollars, putting them in black budget programs, militarizing space, mimicking. They have the power to mimic a UFO invasion. Do you understand me? Just like they had the power to mimic a terrorist act and crash 2 fucking planes, 2 remote control planes into the fucking Twin Towers and have bombs set up in the towers a week prior, set up to detonate, to have the building to fall into itself. What fucking buildings fall into itself besides professional demolition buildings? I'll wait, okay? So don't be fooled by the news pressing the UFO thing on you. When the news is doing that, that means they're trying to fuck with your head. They have plans ahead of this. Okay? The news, the government have been shadowing UFOs, have been banning UFOs, have been ridiculing people about UFOs for fucking over 100 years now, okay? So now all of a sudden they want to promote the UFOs? Okay? Guys, you have to make it make sense. Luckily, I'm here to tell you, I've been following UFOs, doing UFO research since I was a kid. I know about all the government shit, the military, skunk works, all this stuff. $107K today. $107K today. The research is all out there. You know, the research for UFOs now is very skewed because all the old stuff is where it's at. Oh, we're pumping right now. We're pumping. It's like this, guys. Any dip right now, any big dip we experience, you want to buy that dip. It's getting right back. It's getting bought right back up. Look at Bitcoin is pumping, dog. Bitcoin is pumping. Dude, I can't imagine coming in trying to buy Bitcoin at 107K though. That's crazy. That's wild. Holy shit. That's insane. Yo, that's an insane church. Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy work though. That's crazy work. Dog, why do they show me this shit on my Twitter all the time? What the fuck is going on here? Oh shit. It's a fucking fucked up world, dog. It's a fucked up world, dog. Oh shit. That shit frozen, dog. Damn, that's a crazy life. It's a crazy life. Gotta be thankful for your shit right now, man. What the fuck is he doing right there? Ooh, he's about to take the bone marrow out. Oh, that's fire. Yo, that's fire. This fool about to do some bone marrow with his daughter, dog. That's fire, cuz. Woo, look at he's happy as fuck, dog. Yeah, he knows. Oh shit, hold on, what's that? Oh fuck, dog. Yo. Boxer tests an indestructible TV screen. Oh. Broken jaw. Damn. Hey. Damn, Lion's got that ass whoop. Huh. Alright, I gotta get ready. Good shit, y'all. We'll be back on later today. We'll do some market analysis. We'll look at some shit. Happy trumping. Let's go Bitcoin 107, baby.